are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, pretty.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. This is Imani Creates DIY. Today you're going to be watching me wire my recessed lighting. We're finishing up and installing insulation. And this project has been going on for quite some time. It took me a while to actually start it and get it done, but it's fun anyway. I had someone to come in and actually do the demo work because I didn't want to do it. It's a lot. Knocking down the walls and cleaning it all up. And the person who did the demo for me, oh my goodness, he was better for the job than I was. Only thing I have a gripe with is he left all of the nails in the studs, and now I'm left to take all the dang on nails out, which is a daunting task. So right now what you're seeing me doing, I'm drilling holes into the studs so that I can run the wire from one side of the room to the other side of the room so that I can hook up the recessed lighting. I did hang up 3 of them. You can't see it in the camera right now, but there's 2 on this left side and 1 on the other side. And then once I get done wiring, feeding the wire through the holes that I created, you're going to be able to see me put up the 4th recessed lighting. This wiring is not for the weak. Oh my goodness, it is not for the weak. Well, putting together the wires is just color coded. You just follow the color coding. But the tedious part of it is feeding the wire, trying to find the right place to put the wire through the hole, and getting the line down to the electrical box. I have a 2-family flat and I live in one of the units, so it's a task to I'm on the 3rd level, so it takes a lot to take the wire from all the way where I am on this 3rd level to all the way in the basement to hook it up to the electrical box. But I get it done. It's not something you can rush through. It'll be easier if you had another helping hand to help you feed the wire through each floor. And it also is helpful if all the walls are open. If the walls are not open and you're trying to fish around through closed walls and all that, yeah, it's going to be quite the task for you. But I don't mind doing it. It's just it's tedious. And so it's taken me a while to actually get my room up and going. But what you see me do now, I am stripping the sheeting off of the wire so that I can hook it up to the recessed lighting that's already up there. And the recessed lighting is really cool. It's kind of simple to me. I'm going to say that part is simple to me because it has like 3 plastic pieces. They're the connector pieces, and you take those and you put it's one for each color. So it's the copper wire, the white wire, and the black wire. The copper wire is the grounding wire, the white wire is the neutral wire, and the black wire is the hot wire. So they give you like 3 connecting clips to put the wires into. So I thought that was neat. And you don't have to use the screw caps that you use when you're doing wiring. So yeah, I found that to be cool. Oh, also shout out to all the delivery gigs like DoorDash, Uber Eats. I'm not getting paid for that. But I'm not sponsored. But I ordered a filter for my wet and dry vac because it was time for a new one. And I ordered some screws for the drywall, and I ordered something else that I needed. Oh, the drill bit head, so that I can create the recessed lighting hose once I put the drywall up. But I say shout out to them because I went on Home Depot website and paid for my order, and they said, hey, did you know you could receive your order right now? We can bring it to you within a couple hours. And I'm like, really? I don't have to wait. I don't have to leave my house to go and get it. And so yeah, within let me see, maybe I'll give them about 2 or 3 hours, maybe 2 or 3 hours. My Home Depot order was at my front door waiting for me. So that was great because I have a hard time when it comes to me getting dressed, leaving the house, and going shopping and getting whatever I need. So by the time I get home, I don't want to do nothing. I don't want to do nothing. I don't want to finish the project that I was supposed to start because I used all of my energy up trying to buy the products from the store and having to deal with all the people with their rude and smart mouths and bad attitudes and poor customer service. So I avoided all of that and just started my project. And once I took my break, I was able to go outside, get my Home Depot order, and come back in the house and finish my project, the most in which I was going to do. And then so I thought that was really cool, really neat, and I am so happy for the gig apps because, like I said, they delivered it right to my door. So that was the exciting part, and I don't have to go get nothing because they brought it right to me. And also, I get really bad reception in my room. And so I never knew why I was getting bad reception with my cell phone. And sometimes I could be sitting right there and people say, I've been calling you. I'm like, my phone is right here in my hand. I'm on Instagram. I'm not getting any phone calls. And so if you guys look close, you will see like some white knobs and some black strings. Those are what you call knobbing tubes. And those knobbing tubes are what was original to the house, and that's what they use for electricity. I'm not sure when they stopped using it, when it became obsolete. Not sure of that, but those knobbing tube lines and the wires and the knobs, they interfere with cell phone signal. And when you're doing your homes and you see knob and tube wirings and stuff, you're supposed to take those down. Otherwise, you won't be up to code. And I am going to take mine down. Those lines are not running any electricity. There's no electricity running through those knob and tube wires. They had been cut way prior to me purchasing my home. But it's really simple. You just need a flathead screwdriver and unscrew the screw that's within the knob, and you'll be able to take it down. And then for the wire, the black wire, you just need some wire cutters, and you can cut that down. It's really simple. Once again, this is what I did. I'm not telling you what to do, but this is what I did. But like I said, my knob and tube wiring. It doesn't have any power going to it. So yeah. Um, but the part with me wiring these recessed lighting right now, that what I'm doing, they do not have any power going to the ones in which I'm working on. Because yeah, I don't want to be electrocuted. So I don't have a live wire going to these recessed lightings that I'm working on. But once I get done with connecting the wires that needs to be connected, I am going to go down to the electrical box and cut the power to the whole box and connect the wire so that it can have power to go to the recessed lighting. Oh my goodness, you guys. So sorry for the quality of the video. So the camera in which I have, it's new to me and I got it from off of Amazon. I really like it. It's my favorite color. It's pink. And I didn't know that it didn't focus. So this last couple of minutes within this video, it's going to be out of focus, and I uploaded this into this video for you guys because I wanted you to see me wiring to the fourth recess lighting, in which I was telling you guys about. And I wanted you to see my process. And so yeah, so it'll be over shortly with the bad quality because that camera didn't focus and I didn't realize that. And when I did realize it, I adjusted it. But I have a Kodak camera that I was recording off of, and the SD card part of it burnt up my SD card, and I lost a ton of pictures, like over 1,000 pictures, because the SD slot malfunctioned and burnt up my SD card. And I'm like, wow, I don't even know what pictures you actually made me lose, Kodak. But I had that camera maybe about 7 years or so, but I haven't used that camera if 10 times. So there's no reason for the SD portion of it to malfunction and destroy all of my pictures that I can no longer have access to. But back to the video, you see me finally getting to the insulation part. So the insulation part was much more better for me because because it was easier. It's just taking a sharp knife, box cutter, whatever you want to call it, and make sure you have a bunch of change out knife pieces so that you can change out the blades, because this insulation, between the paper of it and the insulation, the knife will go dull because it cut like butter for the first piece. And once I got to the third and fourth piece, I was like a hacksaw because the fiberglass that's in this insulation it wasn't nothing to be played with. But when doing insulation install, please wear long sleeve, long pants, and long sleeve, long pants, gloves, and put on a face mask, because after a while, I think by the fourth piece, it started bothering me, the insulation. The insulation started bothering me, so I went and got a mask. You're not going to see it because the camera actually goes out because the memory was full and I wasn't able to catch it before I got done with the insulation. But I did upload a short video showing you guys how far I got with the insulation. And once I put the insulation in, oh my goodness, it warmed that room right up. I was so excited about that because my room was cold. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you for watching. I enjoyed making this video. Thank you for watching. I want you to like, share, and subscribe. And go and watch my other video of me doing my balcony. It was a fun time having it, but go to my channel and go and click that other video. Thank you.